Hi guys, here 5 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times 6 divided by 3 in bracket minus 4. Here 5 plus 8 is 13 times 6 divided by 3 in bracket minus 4. Here 13 times 6 divided by 3 is 2 minus 4. Here 13 times 2 is 26 minus 4. Here 26 minus 4 is 22 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 22 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operation PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operations. Here 5 plus 2 power 3 times 6 divided by 3 in bracket is 2 minus 4. Here the next priority is exponent. Here we have 2 power 3. We have to do this 2 power 3 before this operation. So 5 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times 2 minus 4. Here in the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have here multiplication. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here 5 plus here 8 times 2 is 16 minus 4. Here we have next priority equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 5 plus 16. 5 plus 16 is 21 minus 4. Here 21 minus 4 is 17 is the correct answer.